Acer Aspire 15 AI Beast Mode. The laptop that might just replace your brain, but in a good way. What if your laptop wasn't just smart, but AI smart with a touch of genius? Enter the Acer Aspire 15, where tech meets turbocharged IQ. With the AMD Ryzen 7 8840HS processor and Ryzen AI, you're not just multitasking, you're doing it smoother, faster, and cooler, literally. Pair that with 16GB DDR5 RAM and a lightning-fast 1TB Gen 4 SSD, and you've got a machine that chews through workloads like popcorn at a movie. Whether you're in Zoom battles, juggling Excel wars, or gaming at midnight, this laptop doesn't sweat, it slays. Display envy, incoming. The 15.6-inch Full HD IPS screen is crisp, bold, and sharper than your ex's comebacks. With Acer BlueLightShield, you can binge, code, or scroll for hours without roasting your retinas. And thanks to ultra-slim bezels, you get more screen and less plastic, ideal for watching, creating, or pretending to work during long video calls. The Copilot Key and AcerSense utility lets you summon your AI sidekick, tweak performance, and cruise through tasks with one tap. Spoiler alert, your old laptop just got jealous. Let's talk ports, power, and people-proofing. With Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, dual USB-C ports, HDMI 2.1, and a truckload of I/O options, this thing's ready for every gadget you own, and maybe the ones you'll impulse buy later. Whether it's project day, streaming night, or random gaming hour, the advanced thermal design keeps your Aspire 15 cool and whisper quiet, no distracting jet engine fan noises here. It's built slim, tough, and light for on-the-go grind, so you're productive and portable. Affordable but feels like a flex? You bet. Compared to others in its league, the Aspire 15 gives you pro-grade specs without the soul-crushing price tag. Its AI engine, with up to 16 tera operations per second NPU, frees up the CPU for extra performance, saving you time, and saving your sanity when multitasking peaks. It's EPEAT Silver certified, eco-packaged, and Energy Star approved, so you're helping the planet while helping yourself. In a world of overpriced, underpowered laptops, this one's the underdog champion you've been waiting for. Final verdict? It's a no-brainer, pun very intended. The Acer Aspire 15 AI Edition isn't just a laptop, it's a personal productivity power-up. Durable, sharp, smart, and smooth, it stands toe-to-toe with more expensive competitors, and wins on value, features, and raw capability. From students to remote warriors, creatives to casual streamers, this machine brings the heat without the hassle. TLDR, it boots fast, thinks faster, and looks damn good doing it. So yeah, maybe it's not just a laptop. Maybe it's your new secret weapon.